Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through a straightforward tutorial on how to reverse the chart on TradingView. Many of you have been asking for a quick guide, so here it is. When I'm short in the market, I prefer to invert the charts because it gives me a better perspective on the upward movement, making it easier to identify short opportunity. Now, with a recent update, TradingView has removed the option from the usual right-click settings. As you can see, it used to be in the scale settings, but it's no longer there for some unknown reason. Fortunately, there are still a couple of ways to do it. One method is to go down to the cog at the bottom right, click on Chart Settings, and you'll find Invert Scale there. Another quick way is to simply press Alt and I on the keyboard. And there you have it. Your inverted scale on TradingView. It's really that easy, guys. And for those looking to elevate your analysis, check out the link in the description. It not only grants you access to powerful charting tools, but also offers a special $15 discount on any paid TradingView subscription. Thanks for tuning in today. If you find this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and stay tuned for upcoming tutorials. Cheers!